That was the fastest that I got someone under contract from this funnel lead. They seen my ad. So what they seen was this video here. And then she was like, hey, well, is Foxwood available? And here's the thing. So technically, now that I'm thinking about it, this video that I shot in that area, she wanted to go there and check it out. She was looking, yeah, so she was looking to buy essentially 6 to 12 months, and she's now in the contract to close this month.
Got her under contract in less than a month from when she came in.
Yeah. The other lady that we closed was from Colorado, California. They're now selling their house. They put a big down payment, and now I'm about to list their house. So that's all from the funnel, by the way. So I had some people that found me on YouTube, and I didn't even know they found me on YouTube until they walked into my open house that I was having. And I was talking. I was like, hey, you guys don't leave a little speech. They was like, oh, don't worry, we're not leaving. I said, oh, okay. So come to find out, they've been watching my YouTube, and they were like, yeah, you're who we want to work with. And we didn't even know you were here. So like, don't worry, we're not going nowhere. So it's working.